Hi guys, we're going to explain how the seed terminator is attached to John Deere S-Series combines. It mounts basically to the hitch of the John Deere, bolts underneath, and there's a hood that goes over the top. This rigid connection has been proven over 4 seasons now in Australia and also Canada, USA and Germany. It's proven to be a strong connection to the machine without any risk of cracking. We've also shown that we can use the hitch to tow on the terminator itself to tow the comb trailer. This mounting allows us to still access the mills by just driving the chopper back. So if you drive the chopper back, you can access the mills and replace them. You don't have to take anything off the harvester to do that. You can also replace the cleaning shoe. So you can take the sieves out and replace them while the terminator is still on the harvester, which is important for a lot of customers who need to change to different styles of sieve.